This is my room tour. It's kind of like, I feel like cribs. But I got this from Dollarama, and then I got the calendar from RBC. This is my little closet. She's cute or whatever. It's very organized actually. This is how I organize all of my schoolwork, my school papers. These are my hats and caps, little things to weave. I've got some gloves, more gloves, more gloves, and then just max shade. My diving gear is here. I don't have all my shoes yet. I'm still waiting on them to be shipped. But these are my favorite shoes right now. My favorite slippers by Coach. And these boots by Coach as well. Very cute, very cute. I can't wait to wear these. And just a few things folded up. This is my camping bag. It carries all my camping stuff and my long socks or whatever. And these are my two babies. Aren't they so cute? I need to get them a bigger tank or real tank, but this will do for right now. Their names are Shuri and T'Challa. So Shuri and T'Challa. T'Challa kind of has the long, like more white on his body, and Shuri is more of a mixed color, like grayish silvery white. These are my magazines. This is what I do in my spare time. I read magazines, look through that. This is instructions on my calculator. This snackages everywhere. My cookbooks, Oh She Glows cookbook. I recommend it to everyone. My Tim Hortons coffee, because I can't live without coffee. I also can't live without Starbucks coffee, so I have Starbucks and I have Tim Hortons. These Fiji empty bottles are to change the water for my fish. I always change their water like maybe twice a day, just because you know they excrete and whatever. I like to keep their water very clean because I don't have a tank with a filter yet. So I got myself fresh flowers from Food Basics. I love Food Basics. I got this plant. It needs some sunlight, that's why it's so limp. But it's called a Pile. Just my empty Sephora bag, my empty La Mer box. I got this from Dollarama. And yeah, my earrings, my chains, my masks. And this is my board of organization. This is how I organize my time and how I make sure that I can get everything I need done. So that's like my school schedule and everything that I've done for the week so far. The things that are covered are my business plans. I can't let you see them. They're already copyrighted, so you can't see them. I will release them soon enough. This is my desk. I have this little cover here with all my highlighters, pens, and pencils. With the flamingo on it, it reminds me of home. This picture here reminds me of home as well. And I have a little African calendar with African proverbs. I love this so much. This is my orchid. She has been with me since January. Yeah, January. Fiji water. I love Fiji water. The reason why my face is breaking out is because I stopped drinking Fiji water. I drank the tap. My skin is a little bit sensitive, so I can't drink straight from the tap. Even though the tap is clean water, I just can't do it. I love air purifying plants. So this one is called the Crispy Wave. I got it at Walmart. It's so interesting to look at, right? I've never seen anything like it. And that's just a charger for my watch, my calculator, my computer with all of my shark stickers on it. You know, I was at the Shark Lab. I still got love for the Shark Lab. Speaking of Shark Lab, I'm going to start volunteering for Sharks for Kids soon enough. And I do have my shark with me, Christopher Jr. So my brother got me this bear, and then I got this shark teddy bear from Chris in 2014. I still have it. I love it so much. I carry it with me everywhere. So that's what my bed looks like. And then this is my vision board for the year. No, I'll go over that in a second video. I'm not done making my vision board. I have more to add to it. But this is another orchid. She's not doing too well. I need to get vitamins for her. Her leaf dropped off. And then this plant, I don't know the name of this. I do not know. It's a tropical plant, but it's so cute, right? This is a fan. I got this on Amazon. And this is just where I fling my basic purses. All my purses are not here yet. I've only been in Canada for 3 months. So I'm still like receiving stuff as we go along. So here is my bathrobe, DKNY bathrobe. I got this jacket, this little tan jacket from Zara haul. Very nice. This is from Abercrombie and Fitch, just a regular pink hoodie. I love it so much. This jacket is from BCBG. This jacket, where is this from? That's the designer there, very cute. Florida State Columbia jacket. You know, you gotta rep Florida State. My mom graduated from Florida State. And then some jeans and this a white linen pant. I need to get deeper baskets because this is not doing it for all of my things, and I have more clothes to bring. So I don't know how I'm gonna squeeze everything, but I will try to organize it just like I organize everything else inside this large bin. I got this from the Real Canadian Superstore. I think it was like $40 a pop. $40, somewhere between $40 and $50 a pop. And then this cushion came from Dollarama. Chair from Walmart. I got this heater from Amazon. It works very well, by the way. And then my ring light is downstairs. Oh, we didn't talk about this. My printer, my lava lamp. I love the lava lamp. It's very calming. I have more plants outside because I'm just a plant hoarder. Why do I keep saying Anyway, I got a lavender grow kit. It's starting to flourish, so I put it outside. These came off of the succulent that I have over there. Did I look at that? No. This is her. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, this is her. I just broke a leaflet thingy. This purple tulip is not doing well. It already bloomed, and I don't know if it's looks like this because it already bloomed. Oh, what's going on? I don't know what's going on. So I will fix that tomorrow when I Google it. Just some pine cones that I got when we went out to the lake, because pine cones are representative of winter and it's part of Persian culture. I'll talk more about that in another video. So these babies, this one is an avocado. I put an avocado seed in there. And then these just have 2 random sets of seeds, edible things. So they're taking a while to come up, but it'll happen eventually because my lavender grow kit already started growing. That makes me very happy. Organization, as you can tell, and plants and coffee makes me very happy. So that's the end of this video, guys. See you later.